Recently in UGC paper 1 we have seen higher number of focus from film, media, communication, and in this the serials under Doordarshan's the major film became important questions that we have witnessed. So let's talk about some of the major serials under Doordarshan when it started. So the first wave of serial started with the programs like Hum Log, and this was actually the real stories of a middle class family in India. Then with the Rajni, which was the consumer rights that focused on. Later on, there were serials like Bunyadi, which talked about the partition and the stress of partition. Then Nukkad, which talked about the voice of urban working class. Then there were moral stories or folk tales, for example Vikram Betal for children, Malgudi Days, which was based on the works of R.K. Narayan. Besides this, from 1987 there were series of serials which started. Some of the major ones were Ramayan, Mahabharat. Now besides this, Bharat Ek Khoj was one of the very popular serials that talked about the history of India and how we talk about nearly 5,000 years old history in India. Then there were serials which talked about superstars. So Fauji, Circus were some of the serials that came in. And finally, there was a diversification which was seen with Vyomkesh Bakshi considered as India's Sherlock Holmes. Then there was Shaktiman, the superhero for kids. So those were the serial series which started in Doordarshan. So this was just a overview of the major serials under Doordarshan. Of course, a detailed and a comprehensive lecture is available in the complete lecture series. Will be updated shortly based on the recent questions that were asked. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.